Hello everyone. Welcome to Luma Slow English. Listen, repeat and learn. Today's topic is my house and my room. Sit back, relax and enjoy. I live in a house. It is not very big, but it is clean and comfortable. My house has 4 rooms. There is a kitchen, a living room, a bathroom, and a bedroom. The living room is for everyone. In the living room, we have a sofa and 2 chairs. There is a big window. We have a TV on the wall. I watch movies there with my family. Sometimes I read book on the sofa. The kitchen is next to the living room. In the kitchen we cook food. There is a fridge, a stove and a table. We eat breakfast, lunch and dinner at the table. There are 4 chairs around the table. The bathroom is small. There is a shower, a sink and a toilet. I brush my teeth and wash my face there every morning. Now, let me tell you about my room. It is my favorite room. My room is small but nice. I have a bed, a desk and a chair. On my desk, I have books, a lamp and my notebook. Sometimes I do homework at the desk. Next to the bed, there is a small table. On the table, I keep my phone and a glass of water. There is a window in my room. I like to open the window in the morning. I see the sun and feel fresh air. On the wall, I have some pictures. One picture is of a mountain. One picture is of my dog. I clean my room every week. I make my bed every morning. I like when my room is clean and quiet. It is my space. I feel happy there. Now it's your turn. Do you live in a house or an apartment? What is your favorite room? What is in your room? Write your answers in the comments. Thank you for watching. Listen again and repeat to remember new words. This was Luma Slow English podcast. Learn slowly. Speak clearly. Remember easily. See you next time.